Okay, so here is my box dog Pelican. I tried to max this thing out as much as possible in terms of lightweight slash high-end componentry, and then a mix of some stuff that I just thought was cool. So starting at the front end, we have these Campagno Veloce levers that I drilled out, and also I took out the shifting mechanism just because I don't use it. And that is LEH handlebar tape leather with Renaers Randonnier bars. These are the 42 millimeter or centimeter version. And then this is a Velo orange decalier that I sort of chopped up to make this kind of thing. So basically, I don't know, works better for me. And then we got the Schmidt Idolux 2. This is a custom rack for this bike made by Fitz in Santa Rosa. Renaers fenders, Paul brakes, fake brake cherries, whatever they're called, Grand Bois tires. The front is a Velocity quill rim 28 hole with triple butted spokes and a Sun Deluxe hub and titanium skewer. I built this wheel myself and haven't really had any problems with it. All of these red bolts are titanium. I'm running TPU tubes from this brand Paint, pretty cheap on eBay, and seem to be working pretty well. Spur cycle bell, a 3T Pro titanium stem, 120 millimeters. This is from a Simworks stem. The cable housing is also just like eBay cheap special. Strong light headset, random red headset spacers. This is a Mayfac cable hanger. Durace down tube shifters, Minora Dura cage, bottle cages. These are actually super light. I think they're like 38 grams each. And then the titanium bolts, of course. This is the lightest front derailleur I could find. It's a Suntour Superb endless band derailleur, so it uses this mount similar to what you would find on your brake lever. It's a fucking pain in the ass to put on, but it's like 80 grams. Renaers cranks, 5234, titanium bolt, Ultegra pedals. These are the ones, all metal ones that are super durable. SKF bottom bracket, so hopefully that'll last really long. Another Renaers fender, more ball brakes. XTR rear derailleur with Omni components, pulleys that have ceramic bearings that are like titanium nitride coated or some fucking bullshit like that. Another titanium skewer. My gearing in the back is 11 to 36. And Velocity 823 rim, Sapum triple butted spokes, and then a Hope R4 Pro rear hub, Supernova light with a Crust manufacturing, I don't know, mount or whatever. And then a Gilles Bertude saddle with titanium rails and American Classic titanium seat posts.
I really just wanted this bike to be pretty light, but also just durable. The only thing that I'm going to be having to replace on this is just consumables, brake pads, tubes, and tires and chains. Everything else is pretty bomb-proof and shouldn't have to be replaced anytime soon.
So I got this bike from Rob Hawks, who's the RBA for San Francisco Randonneers. And one thing I don't like is that he decided to redo this fork so that the cabling can be undone, but he also decided to keep it on the drive side, which I've never understood why you would want to have your dynamo cable routing on the drive side so you can like see it when you're taking a picture of the bike. I personally think all that stuff should be done on the non-drive side. That way it's just a little bit more photo friendly.
Okay, and then we have this. This is a Sansom mid-80s Sansom JS bike. Very, very simple. This is what I use for work.
Starting in the front, we got Cherry Challenge Strata front and back. It says 700 by 27, but really they're more like 25s. And then a Campagnolo chorus or record hub, Lacey Wheelsmith Random Rim. Had a Swan Deluxe headset. Pearl 13 140 millimeter stem. Noodle bars. Sagino 75s with the MKS GR8s, I think, MKS cages and Toshi straps. Nito 83 seat post and a Concord America saddle, and then in the back I got a Chris King, fucking Phil Wood up with 50s on this side and 70s on this side. It's down as usually, and
Okay, so here we got the Crust romanceur in the size 58. Use this for my gravel bike. So starting from the front, you got Swift Industries, Peregrine bag, Sun Light, or Schmidt Light, Sun Hub. And then these are some stands, no tubes. CRT rims, 355 grams.
this is a Nito Mark's rack, Rivendell Nito Mark, Rivendell Nito rack. Some Diacomp brakes with some cool stop pads. FSA Neuron headset. Nito Pearl 12 130 millimeter stems, brass spacers, Nahurst 46 mil bars with the LEH bar tape, Durace shifters, Chinese titanium water bottles, Sun XCE spring set with Campy logo record front derailleur. This is a Silka pump. GRX rear derailleur with a 11 to 42 in the back. And then hump tulips. No, wait, what is it? Tandem. 55, but they measure out to be like 48. And the fenders are yellow orange. I got this idea from Jan Hein, who has like this style fender on his Mayer's gravel bike. It's supposed to reduce aerodynamic drag by just a tiny bit. I like filed this down to a point just to look cool. And then we got Ritchie zero setback seat post with the Gilbertude saddle. These are just like throttle cable ends for like a motorcycle or something. And then I replaced all the bolts, M5 bolts, with these like brass ones because I was wondering what it would look like once they start getting patinaed. Chain, I don't know, fucking Shimano, I think. And then I have like a Omni brand, like titanium ceramic coated nitride bearing sealed doohickey bottom bracket. But yeah, back to the fenders. I think on his website, on the Renaer's website, it says that this kind of thing only reduces drag by like 1%, but I just wanted it to look cool. So the thinking is that the top of the tire goes twice as fast as you are, right? So the rotating mass in the fender stays still. So if air is hitting the fender on the front instead of the tire, the fender is going 0 miles an hour, whereas this is going twice the speed you are, right? I don't know, some weird shit. Another thing is I didn't use any zip ties for this. I just used like wire to kind of go with like the sort of Mad Max-ish theme I got going on here with the fenders.
Okay, so here we have my around 1997 Cinelli Super Corsa. So starting from the front, we have random Chinese quick release skewer, DT Swiss 240 hub, DT Swiss rim, Challenge Strada 30mm tires, which measure out to be 28 or so. Record brakes. Renaer's Maze parallel bars, very parallel. Light speed 130mm stem. Campy Chorus 10-speed brakes. This is a 25.4 mount, Garmin mount. Just some random online 3D print bullshit. Chinese housing. I think this is a record. No, this isn't a record. It's like a Chorus headset, maybe. Yeah, Chorus headset. Silka pump, of course. King cage. We have a Veloce derailleur, Ultegra pedals, Rhino cranks that are 5342, Centaur rear derailleur, Nietzsche cassette. So this is an 11 to 28. Another Chinese skewer, another record brake, another DT Swiss 240 Lace 2, DT Swiss rim, and another Challenge Strada tire. This is a Moots titanium seat post and a Concord light saddle. The bottom bracket, I don't remember what the bottom bracket is.
And the chain is gold, or was gold at some point.